1 kilo of frozen mango chunks. Boiling water to defrost. 2 litres apple juice. $40 grams of sugar. 1 teaspoon of yeast nutrient. Shake until dissolved. 1 teaspoon of pectinase. Top up to desired level. Mangrove Jack's MO2 cider yeast, half a teaspoon. Seal, airlock in. So I'm aiming for a 5% apple and mango cider. Now that mango smelt delicious. I'm going to put this in a 25°C airing cupboard, and hopefully fermentation will usually kick off by the morning. I've used the Mangrove Jack's cider yeast because it produces nice fruity esters, which keeps a nice fruit body. I will not be taking a gravity reading because there's so much sugar in the mango chunks. It's just impossible to get an accurate reading. I will be taking a reading just to find when fermentation is either slowing or finished. Okay, gravity reading. If this goes dry to 1.000, the maths predict it will be around 5 to 5.3%. This was crystal clear. I'm gonna have to just invest in maybe a more expensive and research auto siphons. Taste test time. Guys, I haven't carbonated it because I'm out of homebrew. This is my only drinkable one I've got left, so it's gonna have to be drunk now. We're gonna see what it's like on its own. We're gonna see what it's like with sweetener, erythritol, and we're gonna see what it's like with sugar, normal table sugar. So, like I said, unfortunate, it's not clear. It was clear, but not anymore. I can smell mango right now. I do have a strawberry one sweetened with this, well, hopefully carbonating. So, the more and more I use this, I'm looking for a different sweetener, to be honest. Right then, let's try this one. Apple and mango, yeah. Okay, not as punchy as I thought it was going to be. And it's quite thin. It's quite tart. I think because it did go dry. I didn't add any tannin. Plus, I think just using 2 litres of juice instead of 4 litres, and I'm adding the water, I think that's really definitely having an effect. But let's see what a teaspoon of sweetener does. Okay, that stuff does seem to take longer to dissolve than sugar. Right. Sweetener. Nicer. There is a sweetness. Do you know what? This gives almost like a mentholy feel. Not like a mint, but like a mint sensation to me. Okay, it's far better than unsweetened. Yeah, it's like it makes it feel thicker, more body. Just gonna go like, for that amount, I'm just gonna go half a teaspoon, I think, half a teaspoon. Okay, table sugar. It's just superior. Table sugar is superior. So thin. Minty. That's a winner. I'm going to admit, I'm not going to lie, you can tell that 2 litres of water was put into it. So, guys, if you enjoyed the new editing where I just speed through sort of a lot of the stuff and then sit down to discuss, let me know, please. So, thanks for watching. This is going in the bin. Probably not, but I'm not using that again. And sugar is king all the way. Cheers, everybody. I'll catch you on the next one.